In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset any brand refrigerator or model. And it doesn't matter if it's a top freezer like this one, mount freezer, or dual. It doesn't matter what brand. You could have an Amana, GE, Frigidaire, LG. It doesn't matter. This is how to do a factory reset, and I'm going to show you two different methods. So the first method, which is universal for all refrigerators, is basically just to unplug it from the wall if you're able to get back behind the refrigerator. And I realize that some people can't. And we're going to leave that unplugged for about 10 minutes. That'll reset it. Now, if you don't have access to the power cord behind there, go to the circuit breaker in your home, as you can see here, this one like this, and find where your refrigerator is in your kitchen or the kitchen. And then what you're going to do is you want to trip it and go to the different direction. You want to keep it unplugged, like I said, for 10 minutes. Go to your refrigerator, make sure it's off, and then come back to your circuit breaker, and then turn it back on, and you'll find that that will reset 99% of refrigerators. Now, if it has a electrical panel in the fresh food compartment, let's say it's got a little area here where it's electric instead of like a knob like that, analog. What you're going to do, there's several different combinations. If it has a power and a freezer button separate, you're going to push both the power and the freezer at the same time for 10 seconds. You're going to hold them both down for 10 seconds, and you're going to let go, and that will factory reset them. That's one combination. If it's got a freezer and a freezer in a cool section for the fresh food compartment and the freezer, you're going to hit the up on both of them, the freezer and the cool. And you're going to hold the up buttons for both the freezer and the cool for 10 seconds and let go. That will factory reset it. Or you might have one that's got an energy control button and an alarm. And you're going to hold the alarm and the energy button for 10 seconds, and then you want to let go. All right. And if you have settings, a different combination, you can try just hitting, if it's got two buttons. If it's got a settings button, hit settings, and it'll have a thing where you can factory reset or reset, and then choose factory reset or reset. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of refrigerator do you have. Do you have a profile? Do you have a GE? Do you have a Amana? Do you have a Samsung? What do you have?